Hi everyone. Oh, currently we are monitoring a tornado warning. There's only one right now. It's in Iowa. So it's right on the boundary of Iowa and Nebraska. Can't really tell. Yeah, it looks like it's probably not down anymore, which is a good thing. Let's look at the reflected. Yeah, that looks more straight line wind now. Ooh, hold on 1 second. Just waiting for the velocities to update on this. Hi, everyone that's joining. Go back up here to the tornado warning. See what it says. Still radar indicated now. Let's look at the storm relative velocity. Yeah, I'm really not seeing anything anymore. Okay. Well, that's good. Still, with this thunderstorm, they are calling for 1.5 inch hail and 60 mile per hour winds. Okay. And down here with this one is 1 inch hail, 60 mile per hour winds. Don't see anything about. Okay. Yeah, I think for right now, anybody in Moorhead, Soldier, it's probably okay right now. I don't think there's a tornado on the ground anymore. Hi, everyone joining in. Actually, check one thing. Why does it not let me see what I want to see? What do you mean? I don't know why it says unoriginal content. What do you mean? I'm literally using a radar service, and that's it. It said it's no longer going to recommend your live because there's unoriginal content in it. How is this unoriginal content? Are you kidding me? That's actually hilarious. They really tried to say this is unoriginal content. Oh my goodness. What's considered original content then? I'm literally out here tracking severe weather. That's hilarious, actually. Mm, yeah, they let that expire. That's what I thought was going to happen. Trying to. Where is it? Why is it not letting me, like, pull up my YouTube live? Uh, here we go. Pull up my YouTube live. There we go. Now I got everything I need. Pulled up now. Okay. Right now we just got severe thunderstorm warnings. This one's warned over here at Kennard for 2-inch hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds. Up here, the one. This one's warned for 1.5-inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. Down here, what is this one? 1-inch hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds. Down here towards Fairbury. I don't know if I said that right. 1-inch hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds. Nothing's really standing out right now. I don't know why it said no longer recommending content because it's something as unoriginal. I mean, that just doesn't make sense. It doesn't make any sense. I mean, that doesn't make any sense to me, bro. I mean, how am I not allowed to use this? It's a free weather app. It's actually insane. You gotta be kidding me. That's actually insane. What? What if I okay? What if I switch to a different radar app? Let me use it then. Alrighty. Well, I guess we're gonna add a new source. Oh lord. Window capture. Add. How do I fit this to screen? I don't know if it's gonna let me appeal again. see if that fixes the problem now. Okay, we're starting to get some rotation right there. Yeah, we need to keep an eye on those right there for sure. Let me check these real quick. What station is it? It has me over here. Let me switch to the station. Come on. There we go. Velocity. Nothing obvious over here. That's not what I wanted. I wanted storm relative velocity. Just go with velocity then. That works for now. Oh lord. Okay. Definitely have storms firing. Nothing noticeably rotating right now, though. These velocity images are really messy, though. I am concerned about this one right here, near Lincoln. If you're new here, don't be shy. Drop a chat, drop a like, drop a subscribe. I'm just here tracking the severe weather. Got any questions? Let me know. definitely worried about these. See, there is a little bit of rotation right there. Very broad, but I don't understand why this comes out like this. This is not what Storm. I guess maybe because it's mean. I've just never seen those colors before. Okay. I'm used to using a different app on my phone, and this is like a whole new experience for me. At least with this app. Yeah, this is definitely starting to rotate right here. I wouldn't be surprised if this goes tornado one in a little bit. Let's check on the storms back up here. Especially this one right here near Lincoln. What's this one doing now? And all this is just scatter. Just checking in the upper levels to see what's going on. I mean, it's definitely rotating, just not tornado yet. Sorry, I don't know if I'm quiet. Y'all have to let me know if my mic is too quiet. Uh, I don't know why it said this was unoriginal. That's kind of crazy. What it's saying now. Are you saying anything anymore? Alright, let's try this again. Oh, we got a tornado warning. Yep, it was the one I said. I had a feeling. It was definitely starting to rotate. Okay. Tornado warned, but seems like it kind of fell apart. We'll see him. See what the next few scans show. See what the actual warning itself said. Uh, Radar indicated golf ball size hail. It's moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. So people in the path of this, uh, Beatrice Municipal Airport, Plymouth, Pickerel, DeWitt. Go live back on here again. So I want to pull up the radar app I like on my phone. Right now we just have one tornado warning active. Why did it knock my thing out of the way? 1 second. There we go. So it's just this one tornado right now. Let's check the velocity. I don't know why it's set like that. Check the velocity on this. Come on. Kind of like freaking out right now. I don't know why it's not. Why my app's not working. Can't load anything past 333 right now. Is it that station or what's going on here? Might be that station. So, okay, is that station down? I guess that station is down. Alright, there's definitely a tornado on the ground here. Well, I say that. Let me not say that. The only reason I jumped to that conclusion is when I saw the velocity signature. The problem is, I don't. Oh, this one updated finally. Thank God. Let me see the velocity. Okay. There might still be a tornado on the ground with this. There is rotation. Is it still radar indicating it? Yes. Okay. Check the correlation coefficient. Not seeing anything standing out. Wow. Yeah. Nothing's really standing out. Just monitoring the one tornado warning we have right now. There is something it's heading towards Beatrice, Plymouth, DeWitt, and after that, places like Pickerel, Adams, Firth, Cortland. Those are places down the line that you're going to have to watch out for. Just one tornado warning right now, just one. There is quite a few severe thunderstorm warnings right now. There's 9 right now. Which one's the worst one right now? There's one that's 2 inches. Where's the 2-inch one? It's not this one, is it? I'm just curious. Hi, everyone that's joining. I don't see anything. Let me go here real quick. Alrighty. Still just this one tornado warning that we got. Expires in 31 minutes. Okay. Sorry, I have a better app on my phone that I like to use. Definitely still rotating. It's just not really seeing anything right now. The correlation coefficient. I mean, this is a lot of static. Also, you're getting that from the hail. check up on these up here. See if anything up here. Oh, let me check on that one. Need to keep an eye on this. Yeah. Going up the line right now. What's this one for? This is probably one of the... ping pong sized hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Took me a second to find that in that alert. What about this one? This one is also 60-mile-per-hour wind, quarter-sized hail. So those are turning into more wind hail threats up here. 60-mile-per-hour winds, quarter-sized hail. All right, let's check on the velocities for these real quick. Definitely some rotation with this storm right here. I think this is the one that was previously warned earlier. Okay, let's go back down and check this one. Let's hope that this station is still working. Yeah, still some rotation. This one's starting to rotate too. Need to keep an eye on this one right behind it as well. It's not a... Tulsa, Oklahoma tonight, tomorrow. When we get there. Tulsa, so tonight, y'all are going to be more than night threat, I think. I don't know if this one lets me pull up actual... Yeah, I'd have to pull up... Let me pull up another site, actually. Give me 1 second. I'll have to actually get on here. Okay. Pull up to her. Right now, they got Tulsa, Oklahoma. That's going to be 13 hours. Yeah, y'all are going to be more closer to somewhere later tonight when y'all see the storms come through for y'all. Alrighty. Of course. I do have a station selected. I don't know why it's doing that. So if I do that, I don't know why it's glitching out to where it's not letting. There we go. That's what I was trying to get to. It was being difficult, but I got it to work now. Ooh, let me check that again. Yeah, definitely still rotating. very strong rotation, though. I mean, you can see where it's rotating right there, though. Also, thanks for the likes and the follow. Welcome in, welcome in. We're just monitoring the one tornado. I think it's just one right now. Yep. Alrighty. Still got a tornado warning. English. Apparently, I can't English today. Still got a tornado warning moving towards Beatrice, towards Pickerel after this, and Plymouth. I don't know if they're going to extend this or not. It still has 24 minutes left on it. Let's check the velocity on it. Yeah, velocities looks like it's. Yeah, velocities are getting weaker on it. I don't think there's a tornado down with us anymore. I'll probably let it expire unless we see velocities pick back up again. Alright, let's check the reflectivity real quick. Not the reflective, the velocity again. Just want to see if anything is rotating. Yeah, all this seems to just be more of a straight line wind thread up here. Welcome in, everybody. If you got any questions, drop a comment, let me know. I am looking at the chat as much as I can, but I'm also looking at other screens. So if I miss something, just type it again and I got you. Not really seeing anything too concerning right now. Still have the tornado warning down here. Still seeing some broad rotation. Right now we have one tornado warning and 7 severe thunderstorm warnings. Right now the most severe one is for 2 inches of hail, 60 miles per hour. Where is that? Is that the one? Is this this one right here, actually? Hold on. Yeah, it's actually this one with the tornado warning. I had a feeling. Alright. Works out. Right here. Still very broad rotation. Now, definitely need to keep an eye on the bottom one down here as well. Beatrice is my hometown? Really? That's crazy. You won't live there now still, right? If you still live there, please take cover right now. Like, just because we don't really see really a lot of I can't English right now, but just because we don't see a lot of rotation, and if you're under alert, just do it just in case. Take cover. Like, it's better to be safe than sorry, honestly. Especially with some of these areas with just bad coverage. Okay, good. Just be careful, please. Why are you on your? You're not driving, are you? I hope you're not driving. Okay, good. Well, I got you. We're gonna sit here and see what happens. See, this back here is concerning me, but I also think it's just because it's a bad spot. But about to go through Omaha and Lincoln. Oh, wow. Yeah, those storms are pretty rough up there, too. Actually, speaking of those, let me go up here and check on that. What's this one warned for? Golf ball size hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds. Check the velocity. Yeah, all of this is just. I can't even think of the word right now. Scattering. That's a good word for it right now because my brain I'm having a completely brain farting all of the things I've learned in meteorology. It's still very broad rotation. This probably gets they probably let this expire. Maybe we'll see. It's still that one expires in 17 minutes. Other than that, that's the only really concerning storms right now out here. See if we're getting any storms firing anywhere else. Let me switch to reflectivity. That blue dot is not actually where I live. I just don't have the location set on here. I'm not seeing anything right now. Let's check the velocity on these again. You're still getting rotation. It's just definitely nowhere near as strong. It's very broadened. Now, down here, I'd be concerned about this bottom storm. I don't know. Right now, nothing's really rotating. Waterloo, pea-sized hail about 15 minutes ago. Omaha. Oh, Lord. See, this is the problem. Am I blind? I might be blind. I wish they had. See, I was using a different site to where I could literally just go right here, and that's what I'm about to do actually, because I don't know my geography well enough. Waterloo. Am I crazy? Or is somebody messing with me? I swear I've heard of Waterloo before, but I literally don't see it. And I see like I see Wahoo. Maybe it's a really small one. Okay. Like I literally typed in Waterloo. It's by Valley. How west are we talking? Oh, I wonder. It literally doesn't even show you. That's the craziest thing. Closer to Mead. Oh, okay. Yeah, it literally doesn't even show y'all. Is it this? It's somewhere here. I'm not gonna keep zooming in, but wait, you just saw it? I'm so blind, apparently. Am I not zoomed in far enough? I don't know. Go toward Omaha. Okay. Omaha's that way. Oh, I see it. I see it. I see it. Bro, apparently I'm blind. I don't want to talk about it. That's the one thing about doing this is it's like, okay, unless I can like quickly search it up, I can almost guarantee you I'm not finding it. Okay, this did intensify down here near Beatrice a little bit. Let's look at the reflectivity. Yeah, I would still stay in your shelter if you're near Beatrice near this. Doesn't expire for another 11 minutes. Yeah, it's mostly just been straight line wind threat up here and hail threats. Right now, the strongest storm we've got I think our tornado warning one right now. It's the wind rating on it. Yeah, it would be this one right here with our tornadoes, the strongest storm we got out there right now. I mean, I could buy the My Radar for the computer. It doesn't cost that much. I just, I mean, maybe next stream. Windy for PC though. Like I'm using PC right now. Normally I use Radar Scope on my phone, but it's $30 on PC, which is like it's a good app. So I guess like I might as well get it. But I just prefer it because it's like what chasers use or whatever. Windy is free on PC. Is it? Let me check the Microsoft Store. Actually, well, normally, so I wanted to use um, gosh, what is it called? Weatherwise. But when I was using it earlier, I was on TikTok and it literally said, "Oh, this is unoriginal content. We're not going to share your live anymore." I was like, "What do you mean?" I'm like, because it's free. So I don't understand why I can't use like the radar and stuff. I don't know. When I saw that, I was like, what in the world? Windy Light? Is that what it's called? Let me check on, see what's going on right now. While I'm multitasking. Still says we have one tornado warning. Or was that? Yeah. Still down here towards Beatrice. Velocity is definitely tighter. Burnt red with two U-shaped scoops. Yeah, that is definitely not it. Yeah, they don't have it on PC. They have. I mean, they have some good ones on here. I just don't feel like paying. I mean, like for like my radar Pro is $14. That's not that bad. But the one I like is like $30 or something. I don't know. Which I use it on my phone. I just can't. There's so much scatter. I use my radar free version. I'm cheap. Yeah, me too. Me too. I really, I need to invest in it though because I'm about to graduate and like officially be a meteorologist. So I need to invest in like an actual good like app, especially if I'm going to start doing this more often. Right now, everything is kind of just a wind hail threat. Not really seeing much in the way of rotation with any of these up here. Still seeing rotation with these storms down here, though. I would definitely, if you're in near Diller or any of these places or in Beatrice, just stay in your safe space for now, or safe place for now. No, I'm actually from Virginia. This dot right here is not accurate. This is just where it puts it when you say no location. I don't know if that's what you were referencing or not, but there is 4 minutes left on this. See, this one right here is the concerning one because you see the couple that's starting to form on it. So actually, look at the reactivity, or is there a hook on it too? See, it's just such a bad radar site too. Of course, have a great rest of your day. Please be careful. Yeah, right now, this tornado warning expires in 2 minutes, and then we have 11 severe thunderstorm warnings active right now. Let's check this storm out near Lincoln. Yeah, I'm not really seeing any rotation with the storms up here though. Definitely turned into a straight line wind threat like I thought for the northern part. I think the biggest concern is when we actually start getting down, especially this evening and tonight, is when we're really going to start having our problems. So they did let that expire. They did not renew it. I wonder if they're going to warn this one though. I hate how it makes me have to click multiple spots just to see the site. I wish it was like a one click and it locks you onto where you need to be. Yeah, I'm still watching this one down here. I think it's just because it's a bad side, so you're getting a lot of distortion going on. are starting to get some storms firing down here near Albion and Council Grove. Definitely need to watch these. Let me look and see what the significant tornado parameters are right now. What time is that? It's 5 hours from now. So 5 hours from now would be 9 o'clock for me. So that would be 7 o'clock Central. Yeah. Reason I'm bringing that up is because between 7 8 o'clock, right there at the evening hours, is when it's really gonna pick up, and Oklahoma and all Oklahoma and Kansas is like that's the big concern is then. If you have any questions, just drop a comment or a chat, and I'll try and answer it when I see it. Right now we got 9 severe thunderstorms. Let's go to which one's our strongest storm right now. It's one near Woodbine. Be this one right here. Ping pong size hail and 60 mile per hour winds. Let's check on these storms down here again. Check the velocity. Broad rotation. Definitely some rotation on this bottom storm. Just not enough, I guess, for a tornado warning yet. I don't understand why it's not. Still only the severe thunderstorm warnings. Yeah, this rotation down here is broad. I think because this radar was some of these radar starts have issues where it'll mess up what you're actually seeing, and what you're seeing is not actually reality. So this looked a lot stronger and more organized than it actually was. I don't understand. So I'm also streaming on YouTube, but it doesn't really let me try to pull up, because normally you can pull up like a dashboard or something when you're streaming, but it doesn't want to let me do that on here for some reason. Unless I just don't know how to pull it up, and that may be the case too. It's not surprising. Yeah, but it's just severe thunderstorms. Let's check on the storm again. I'm just going up the line, checking everything. I don't really see anything too concerning right now. It's really just the straight line winds and hail. Still got 9 severe thunderstorm warnings. Yeah, very broad rotation. Kind of just chilling, waiting for something to happen. Got 10 severe thunderstorm warnings right now. Nothing's really rotating at all. If you're new here, don't forget to drop a like, follow, subscribe. I'm streaming on TikTok and YouTube right now, so it does take a second. I have two chats to look at. But if you got any questions, just let me know. Still got some broad rotation down here near Beatrice with these storms. Don't think it's producing anything anytime soon right now, though. It definitely did end up being more wind hail threat right now. We still have time though for that to change, but nothing's really rotating at all. It's been straight line winds, other than I think we've had two warnings, and that's it. Very short lasted too. No confirmation, both radar. Still just 10 severe thunderstorm warnings. Not seeing really anything else. It's all kind of just straight line winds right now. I hate these sites that they have right now. So bad. It's gonna be even worse. Alright, I think I'm gonna take a break until it really gets active again. I need to go eat and exercise, and then we can go live again in a little bit. I really enjoyed my first live though. If anybody has any questions about any timing before I end the live, now's the time. Going once, going twice. Alrighty. Well, I will be back later. And if we have a tornado warning, you'll expect me back even sooner.